Welcome back. It's Fabulous TeeTee. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Be a part of TeeTee Squad. So this is an unboxing today, guys. Woo! So this is an unboxing of Sanrio products. They're really cute. So let's get right into it. So let me show you the receipt they gave me. Sanrio, which is Hello Kitty products. So I am very excited to unbox this. So let's do the first thing. Hello Kitty. So cute. So it's a compact mirror that, ladies, you put this in your purse. And it's so, just look at that. So pretty. And let me open it up for you guys. So it's a two-way mirror. Ladies, this is so small. You can put this in your bag. You can probably put this in your pocket. But I just want y'all to know, y'all need to get that. And I'm going to put the prices below in the description box so you guys know how much it costs. And then the second item, they put my stuff in bubble wrap, okay? Thank you, Sanrio. Thank you. So this is not Hello Kitty. This is her friend called My Melanie. And this is a coin purse. And it is sequence, baby. And this is my Melanie. She's so cute. I think she's a bunny rabbit, guys. You let me know in the description below what she is. But this is the sequence coin purse. Like, look how cute that is, y'all. Like, look at her face. And you carry it like this when you walking with your girls and stuff. So I want to show you guys the outfit of the day as well. So follow me. So I got my Aaliyah shirt on. She posing for you guys with the pearls in the shirt. I love Aaliyah. I miss her. And then I got my leggings, glitter black and gold. I got these from Charlotte Russe. So these are so pretty. They fit to the T. And then I have my earrings on. I got these from Nella Swear. These are the African Princess. You can't see the face, but it's down there at the bottom. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's really cute. So y'all need to go ahead and get those on their website. Thank you.